Just a few minutes ago I was showing that battery over there needed to be replaced. This is the one I did early this morning. I only did it twice so far. I gave it one dose for 5 minutes, came back an hour later and tested it, and the battery said good. No, I'm sorry, the battery said bad, replace. And then after the second dose, been almost 2 hours, and as you can see, it says it needs to be charged, but it says it's good. Internal resistance 5.52. Anyway, be looking for a lot of activity. See all that activity in there? And if you notice, after I charge these like that, you see that white stuff or silver stuff on top? I think that's getting rid of the coating that's on the battery that keeps it from charging. If they ever discharge, they get a certain coating on them. So by cooking them like this and letting it boil a little bit extra, it gets rid of that coating and allows the plates to hold charge. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.